This is one of our better producing maple trees here. It does pretty good. It gets direct sun through this clearing here. All you need to tap maple trees is a spile. You drill a hole in the tree, which you'll see shortly. Tap it into the tree, and the sap will flow through this hole here and pour out the front of the spigot here, right into the bucket. Some people use bags. You can use a hose system. There's many different ways. A hammer to tap your spile in, and a drill, obviously, to drill your hole. We're just using a bucket. Try to keep my drill out of the snow. We're just using a bucket. We got flap in it. There is a hole on the other end. Yeah. What you do is you drill that hole there, hook the spile onto that. It has a hook hanging from the bottom. This hook here hooks onto the bucket, and then the spile will drain in, just like so. Just like so. We're gonna set it up, and you'll get a better idea. But this tree here, you can see where we tapped it previously. In a few different spots here. You don't want to drill where this wound is here, anywhere near there. So you try to, stay a few inches away. So what we'll do is we'll figure out a good spot, and we're gonna probably just put one bucket on this tree. That looks like a previous drill right there that's healed. You can see how it's just the bark, but it's healed over on the inside. I'm thinking we're gonna tap somewhere on this piece here, probably right about here. It's supposed to be windy today, and it's picking up, I'll tell you. We're gonna tap this guy right around here. You want to tap the tree. You don't want to drill too deep. You don't want to hurt the tree. Pretty much, usually I've been doing 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Seems to work pretty good. If it was warm out right now, this hole would be dripping. If the sun was shining on it. Pretty cold today. It's staying below freezing today, and the sun's not out too much. Although it's trying to pop through right now. I should do that. I take the bucket here, try to get that hole lined up with that hook, and voila, that usually does a trick. It's not the best setup, but that's what we've been doing. It works out pretty good. You want to drill on a slight angle so that drips. We should be good. We're on a slight angle. And it'll drip right into the bucket. Try to keep the rain out of it. Alright. Let's go tap some more. Just wanted to show you guys. This one here is, like I said, it's in the sun. I don't know if you can see that dripping. When I tap it right now, you'll see it actually drip out the spile. See the liquid in that one coming out? That's why this tree usually does pretty good, like I said. Plenty of sun. This one here is already dripping. Nice. A couple more million drips and we'll be good. That looks wet, huh?
Yeah, already wet. Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Just make sure it's clean. Yep.
I good?
Yeah, we're good.
There you go. Just get a lid.
Yeah, we'll have to get a lid.
You see this maple tree here we tapped last year? Get a hole there and a hole over here. It's already all almost healed up. But the sun hits on this side, the south side. It's always good to tap them on the south side. Like I said, you want that sun to hit the tree. We're gonna go right between those two. Probably be like right here, I guess. There you go. Another tree tapped. They say 1 tap for a tree up to 20 inches. After 20 inches, you can do 2 taps. We're just gonna do 1 tap here. I think we'll be fine. We should get a decent amount of sap out of this tree. Let's get some good sunlight. The sun really helps out. Gets that sap flowing. It's only got so much time to thaw her out before it freezes in the nighttime. We're all done for today. We're tapped out. But we're just gonna let these trees do their thing, and we'll get our sap accumulated and put into a 30-gallon drum, and then we'll evaporate it and we'll make maple syrup.